Pretty like blow, wow man. If you pretty.
Right there on top of the moon, you can sit and do. Right there on top of the moon, you can sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. Right there on top of the moon, you can sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. Right there on top of the moon, you can sit and
Pretty like blow, wow man. If you pretty.
to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay.
Oneil Hotel and Villas it was. Setting up for a grand wedding.
Now thinking I should call.
Don't know we do our thing already. Yeah. So as always, we came in the night before and do our thing. So, cause you know our job it takes time, okay? So we have to prepare ahead of time. Test our lights, ensure everything is up and running. Yeah. So as you can see, everything is plugged in right now. Alright. So this is it. So this is a Chinese lantern and Fairylight decoration. Over in this decoration, we use the Fairylight as a weeping willow look. Alright. So as I always say, just stay tuned, be in tune, and enjoy. Okay?
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were
I know you see I've done the Fairylight Weeping Willow look,
away.
and you have seen
I don't wanna
I do the Chinese lantern look. But tonight we're doing both the Chinese lantern and the Fairylight Weeping Willow look. Okay?
too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend.
So from your ear device, you know it's your boy,
Too
Oneil
scared
Grant,
now, thinking I should
representing
call up.
for Oneil Grant Lighting and Decor.